right, so we're going to cabin 1834, but that's really on the 12th deck. All right, so 1834. So here we go with our tour of cabin 1834. Now this is an ocean view room, and we are located right up here by the forward elevators. As you can see, a few cabins back from the front. These are also cabins. There's your light switch. This is a newer type of than it is in our cabin. You have to have your key in there to keep the lights on. You have a cabinet. And these, again, unlike ours, you have a separate cabinet and then a larger cabinet, like down in our cabinet. All right, got a newer type thermostat. Your restroom is pretty much the same. Larger sofa than our balcony room. And here your safe is over here. Little extra storage area there. Down here you have your mini fridge, your desk with your drawer. And then you have 3 large drawers up here with your hair dryer, and then the last drawer is the same. Larger TV, extra shelving, which I like. The king size bed, and then she also watches Party of 2 cruising. Now this is a connecting room. Remember, there's a door on both sides, 2 chairs and a table. Again, no USB ports next to the bed other than your phone. And that's pretty much it. And it is a straight drop from here because your windows tilt outward, which is pretty nice. Reminds us of G1 on the Carnival Paradise, except it's in the bow of the ship. Again, another overall nice long room. Really nice room. All right, thank you for watching.